आधे बाउल दही में 4 चम्मच MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला डाला, स्टर करो, पुदीना चटनी तैयार। MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला।
On the show tonight, how this burqa-clad woman has emerged as the truest beacon of Indian secularism. At 8:30 p.m. tonight, the face-off over the self-styled, very controversial, self-appointed Shankaracharya. And at 9 o'clock tonight, shocking 2-minute sterilization mode from Madhya Pradesh's Dhar comes to light. Sterilization carried out without any basic facilities in a single day. Good evening and welcome. Tonight I will talk about secularism, true secularism. Tonight, ladies and gentlemen, the story that Lutyens is blacking out completely, a story which needs to be told, which needs to be spoken about, but even more than all of that, needs to be seen. The story of 3 Muslim women, Tamanna Malik, Soni Khan and Uzma, in the middle of their Kawad Yatra. Ladies and gentlemen, Tamanna Malik, seen there in those pictures, people coming out on the streets to meet her, click pictures with her, and record the moments that define, in a way, the true spirit of a secular India on their mobile phones. These 3 Muslim women chose to continue to be Muslim after their marriage to Hindu men, and they undertook the Kawad Yatra yesterday. The Kawad Yatra ended on Mahashivratri, which was yesterday, and all these 3 women performed the Jal Abhishek, which is the holy Hindu ritual offering of Ganga water at a Shiva temple in their village. And that is the picture of them doing Jal Abhishek. This is Tamanna Malik, ladies and gentlemen, on the left-hand side of your screen, carrying the Kawad. She's a 27-year-old Muslim woman from Uttar Pradesh who has completed the traditional yatra, the Hindu pilgrimage dedicated to Lord Shiva, while wearing a burqa. She was not conflicted in what her identity is or who would say what. She held on to her choice of continuing to be a woman of Muslim faith, but in devout respect to the great Hindu tradition. These visuals are truly therefore an epitome of India's secular fabric. You can see her wearing her burqa while carrying a decorated bamboo pole with pots of holy Ganga water on her shoulders. For the entire journey that she undertook on foot, the visuals show Hindus welcoming her for the yatra, garlanding her, and celebrating her presence in the true spirit of secularism. This is the greatness of the Hindu civilizational heritage. As she entered Sambhal with the ritual water, watched the large crowds which gathered along the route, and then she performed the Jal Abhishek on the day of Mahashivratri. There are Pandits and Pujaris around her. No one has a problem with the fact that she's a Muslim woman. This is also the greatness of the Hindu tradition. She wears the burqa, she continues to be Muslim, but the doors of the Hindu temple are open for her. This is the greatness of our Hindu religion. And what this imagery tells you, that this is true secularism, because we are a secular India in which men and women don't have to give up their individual faith to have reverence or respect for another. At least for Hindus, this is true. We are a secular India where a Muslim woman marries a Hindu man, but the Hindu man does not force her to be a Hindu. She continues to be a Muslim. And she's continuing to wear a hijab inside a mandir. In fact, she's welcomed for it. This is the greatness of the Indian tradition. This is the greatness of the Hindu tradition, ladies and gentlemen. But there are some people, mostly the pseudo-secular and the radical. They are the people who will have a lot of problem with this grand spectacle of India's secularism. These are the same people who do not want Muslim women to enter Haji Ali. These are the same people who want women to change their faith when they marry a Muslim, saying that that is the only way to show respect to your husband. Ladies and gentlemen, like Samajwadi Party leader Ziaur Rahman Barq, who said, this woman married into another religion 2 years ago, she has no knowledge of anything, she has taken these steps that have eroded public trust in her. So for radical Muslims like Ziaur Rahman Barq, marrying a Hindu man is unbearable, and respecting the Hindu tradition is even more unbearable. Maulana Shahabuddin Razvi Barelvi says, followers of Islam are required to follow the Sharia law, and adopting or believing in the religious traditions of any other religion is illegitimate. And ladies and gentlemen, she says that it is wrong that she has carried out this Kanwar Yatra. Now, very interestingly, none of those usual suspects, Mahua Maitra, Swara Baiskar, Rana Ayub types, will speak about this. They take all other examples as examples of secularism. Why won't they speak about it? Is it because a Muslim woman is welcoming Hindu traditions, the Hindu way of life, and Hindu beliefs? Is that something to be bothered about? Is that something to be irritated about or to be frightened of? I think, if you ask me, these visuals, especially those of Tamanna Malik, would be scary to the pseudo-secular lobby. But for that very reason, I call upon all those who are right-wing, in sense that they are with the right and not with the wrong, all the right-wing people in that sense, to forward this video that I have put out to as many people as possible, so that the true greatness of Hindu tradition and what true secularism is embodied in this video, which is carried throughout the length and breadth of our great country. Let's debate.
Amid the chants hailing Lord Shiva, walking shoulder to shoulder is Tamanna Malik. There, wearing a black burqa in a sea of saffron, the 27-year-old walks carrying a cover, holding holy Ganga water for Lord Shiva. Besides her, husband Aman Tyagi. As Tamanna reaches Amroha from Haridwar, she is welcomed with garlands and showered with flower petals. She offers prayers, performs the Jalabhishek on Mahashivratri. But seems not all are happy. Hindu organization workers walking the couple inside a secure lair tell a worrying story. Even Tamanna tells Republic, fatwas have been issued, threats received.
कुछ लोगों ने कुछ बातें की थी आपसे?
जी, अभी मुझसे तो नहीं गई, लेकिन अब लोग फतवे लगा रहे हैं, तरह तरह के उल्टे सीधे सवाल कर रहे हैं, कमेंट वगैरह कर रहे हैं और वीडियोस बना रहे हैं, कैसे जिंदगी को जला दो, अच्छा नहीं कर रही है, बहुत बुरा का किया है इसने, ये अच्छा नहीं है, ऐसे ऐसे लोग सवाल कर रहे हैं बहुत.
A woman targeted by her own community for fulfilling a vow she took as one married to a Hindu man.
आस्था थी, मैंने अपनी शादी से पहले बोली थी, जब हमारी शादी हो जाएगी तो मैं भोले बाबा की कांवड़ लेकर आऊंगी.
कि आस्था है सनातन के प्रति?
जी हाँ, आस्था है मेरी.
बुर्का पहन के जाना क्यों सोचा आपने? कि आपकी अपनी पहचान है इसलिए या कोई और कारण था?
जी नहीं, मेरी खुद की पहचान है, मैं पहनती हूँ, उससे मेरी शादी हुई है, मैं पहन लेती हूँ, मेरे ससुराल वाले या मेरे पतिदेव मुझसे मना नहीं करते हैं. पहनती हूँ, मैं बुर्का पहन लेती हूँ, और मैं जो सही होता है अपने धर्म का मैं उसे भी मनाती हूँ, मुझसे कोई मना नहीं करता है मेरे ससुराल में.
Tamanna, a Muslim woman, wears a burqa, celebrates Eid, reads the Quran as she wishes to, and her in-laws let her do it. But the moment she picks up a cover, she becomes the target of those for whom the Ganga Jamuni Tehzeeb is a one-way street.
बहुत सारे लोग मसले शरई पूछ रहे हैं कि शरीयत की रोशनी में इन दो महिलाओं का क्या हुक्म है. क्या मुस्लिम महिला बुर्का पहन करके कांवड़ यात्रा, कांवड़ लेकर के जल अभिषेक कर सकती है या नहीं? शरीयत का स्पष्ट नजरिया है कि कोई भी मुसलमान मर्द हो या महिला वो दूसरे मजहब का शियार नहीं अपना सकती. यानी दूसरे मजहब के जो उसूल हैं उन उसूल को अपनाना, जैसे कांवड़ यात्रा लेके चलना या जलाभिषेक करना, इस तरीके से धार्मिक कार्यक्रमों में भाग लेना मुसलमान का नाजायज है और सख्त गुनाह है।
Sin or freedom of faith? Let people decide.
First question is, Subuhi Khan and Ambar Zaidi are with us today. Subuhi is national convener of Rashtra Jagran Abhiyan, and Ambar Zaidi is a journalist and activist. Atikur Rahman is with us, Tala Amar Rashidi. You know what the most important question is? Would a Hindu woman, if she was married to a Muslim, would you see a Hindu woman married to a Muslim in such a public display, public and open display of continuing allegiance to the Hindu faith as Tamanna has done by wearing the hijab? She is married to a Hindu man. Now convert this fact. Would a Hindu woman who would be married to a Muslim man, maybe she would have been allowed to practice her religion. I'm saying it's not, there are maybe, I hope, some cases where that happens. But would the Hindu woman be allowed to do what this Muslim woman has done, married into a Hindu family? Food for thought. Right, Subhi? What are the other
Arnab,
points?
you have a lot of example. You haven't done your homework. Arnab, Mrs. Shah Rukh Khan, Gauri Khan, Swara Bhaskar, and you have many other examples. They are Hindu women married to Muslim women, freely expressing their religious thoughts, freely practicing their religion, freely doing whatever they want to do. Arnab, please do some homework.
No. One minute. Just
Better do your research.
Subui.
Arnab, he is
Ambar and Subui.
generalized.
Yeah, who goes first?
Kareena Kapoor Khan,
Ambar wants to say
Kiran
something.
Rao.
I'll let Ambar go first.
Okay,
1 minute.
okay.
Ambar?
Arnab, firstly, I want to say that people like Tamanna, they should be celebrated. This is the beauty of India. That is the diversity of India. This should not be debated, first and foremost. And Talha Amir Rashidi, he said that Swara Bhaskar is practicing her religion. But for your information, Swara Bhaskar got converted before marrying Fahad. I know it for a fact
you were there
on
in the marriage,
personal
right?
basis.
You
I
were
know
pre-
it,
you
and
were
I
present-
can
you were
guarantee that
present
Swara
there during
Bhaskar
the
got
conversion,
converted
right?
before marrying Fahad.
You
You
were
should
present
do
there
your
during the
homework. You should do
conversation.
your research.
You were
Now
the
just let's
person-
talk about
you
Tamanna
were the
and just
Qazi
talk
who
about your
did the
secularism.
conversion. Wow,
Your
wow, wow.
secularism cannot
Leave it
be
for me.
conditional. If you support religious freedom only when it suits your narrative, that is not secularism. It is selectivity.
You were the Qazi who was there who did the
Our
conversion.
India's constitution does not ask citizens what their religion or what their religion belong to before guaranteeing them their freedom or their liberty
They
of faith or
married, that is the
expression.
reason why they
So
married
who are
through
you?
the special
Who are
marriage
you?
act.
This is
That is the
your
reason.
narrative.
That is the
And
reason
you-
why they married through
you
special
are
marriage
a
act.
Muslim scholar,
You were the
and as
Qazi
per
who
Islam,
did the
you
conversion.
think marrying Swara
You were
Bhaskar
the
as
Qazi
Swara
who did
Bhaskar
the
marrying
conversion.
Fahad,
You know-
it's all right.
It was
You know, one point first. Tala, the outrage, Tala,
It was the reason why they married through the special marriage act.
Tala, 1 minute, please.
Targeted for the same thing.
Tala
And she
said-
was called, even her child was called out. And you people were the reason.
The other point is this, and Subui can come in on this. There are a couple of things here. She is a Muslim woman, and she's 1 out of 3, by the way, and she's been coming out on television today and hitting back at all these Maulvis nice and proper. This is the opposite of love jihad. Because in love jihad, what happens? It's a forced conversion when a Hindu woman marries a Muslim man, often not knowing that he is Muslim or being forced into it, and that is called love jihad. Here is this Muslim lady. Keep quiet. This Muslim lady who's married a Hindu man, she still practices Islam, which is beautiful. She has not been converted to Hinduism. There are no small-minded people. Convert to Hinduism. There are no small-minded people who think conversion is a great thing.
She did her marriage through the Hindu ritual.
There's a bigger story in it. And Tala, why are you getting irritated? You are not personally involved in
I'm
this.
not getting irritated. I am tired of your research team.
A Muslim woman performing, a Muslim woman, because in India, you see, there are a lot of people who believe that India at the core is a Sanatani country in terms of its civilizational ethos. And hence, if a Muslim or a Christian or people from any religion believe in the Sanatani tradition of this country, there is nothing wrong with it. A woman performing Jal Abhishek, Shiva Abhishek does not become a theological emergency, right? But if there is a woman who is pressurized to change her religion after marriage and her husband forces her to eat beef against her will, that I have a problem with. Subui, when you see these pictures, what do you think she's fighting for? I think there's much more than just her personal story. She's standing for something.
Yeah. Arnab, first of all, I want to reiterate a definition which my Guruji gives. He says that Hindu, my Guruji Shri K.N. Govindacharya ji, he says Hindu is a commonwealth of all modes of worship. The same civilizational values which you just mentioned. You know, we believe in all forms of worship. We respect all kinds of religions, and that is why if a Hindu guy marries someone from a different religion, please, I was not intervening when you were speaking, at least let me finish. Because of our civilizational ethos and because we are inherently and genetically secular, if a Muslim girl marries a Hindu man, the Hindu man does not force her to either change her religion or to stop following rituals or dress code of her religion like we are watching on television. You know, like Amber said, people like Tamanna Malik, such Muslims should be celebrated. I personally salute Tamanna Malik that she made a vow that once I get married, I will take this Kamad Yatra, and she is finally following her convictions without being pressurized by these radical people. And of course, this is not going down well with these radical Maulanas, because finally, Muslim youth, specifically Muslim women, are breaking the shackles of, you know, mental slavery. They are breaking the shackles of extremism, and they are breaking the shackles of this control. And finally, they are coming out and following their soul.
Because Muslim women have a right to be free.
Allow me to respond, Arnab, at least give some time
why?
to me.
First of all, let me get Atikur in. You, for some reason, are personally getting very angry. Kya problem hai aapko?
And attacking every man.
Amber, he's looking insecure. Does Tamanna make you insecure?
Absolutely
not at all.
If he is thinking, if all Muslim women behave like this, then what will happen to people like Talam and Rashid?
No, allow me to respond. At least allow me to respond. You're not allowing me to respond.
The fact is, I must explain this visual. This visual is of a practicing Muslim woman who wears her black burqa. But the beautiful part of this is, she wears it with a saffron scarf and a tilak. What a wonderful imagery. There can be nothing more secular than this, and that's why this visual, if it has not gone viral, should go viral. This, after all, is our constitutional right. ये लोग constitutional right की बात करते हैं.
I agree with you. I absolutely agree with you.
You keep quiet. You're getting irritated. I'm going to Atik. Atik, Article 25 of the Indian Constitution, right, allows her to do this, right? And this, therefore, is true secularism. Why are you looking so concerned? Islamic law does not operate like a civil enforcement mechanism in India. You seem to forget that we are a constitutional republic, Baba. We are not an Islamic republic and never will we become an Islamic republic. Unlike what you and your Guruji, Zakir Naik, may want. The secular framework of this country. Are you listening to me, Atik? Because you follow the teachings of Zakir Naik.
Yeah, I'm listening carefully.
He is your idol, he is your role model. See, we are not Pakistan. That's why we can do this. Do you understand? We are not Pakistan, where these things will become criminal acts. Yeah. In Pakistan, you can be killed. You can be sentenced to death for doing this. But remember, Atik, those who wanted to go to Pakistan have gone. Those who are here have to live in a constitutional republic.
Now, may I come in?
Yes.
Yeah. I am the follower of Prophet Muhammad Arnab. I follow the Quran, and my humble research into Quran says that Tamanna is fully under her rights. As you said, our constitution gives ample right, and I find nowhere in our constitution wherein our constitution and my Quran, my belief comes under any negative scrutiny.
What about triple talaq?
There is a perfect ayat
which
in the
is called
Quran
instant divorce. You are the same person who used to come on my program and say, 1 minute, keep quiet. You are the same person who used to come to my program and say, in a choice between my religion and the constitution, my religion comes first.
Now you are caught, that's why
you said my religion comes first, not the constitution. You are a hypocrite to be caught quoting the constitution today.
I am ready to argue. Who is a hypocrite, you or me?
You.
You have a hashtag of Tamanna. You have a hashtag of secularism. Now you are coming on triple talaq.
I don't have a hashtag of Tamanna. Why did you say that?
You want to
because Muslim women are following Hindu traditions, you're not liking it.
No, I can't see. I don't have any objection.
So you can ask.
I don't have any objection.
Atikur Rahmanji, I have a question from you, please, sir. I respect your humble research on Islamic theology, but as a Muslim woman, I have a question to you. If you are so secular, if you are so modern, and generally you say that you believe in, open-mindedness, so why don't you support common civil law? Why do you still support triple talaq, talaq-e-hasan, talaq-e-ehsan? These are 21वीं सदी में, 21st century में extrajudicial one-sided divorces where even the consent of a woman does not matter. How can you support that? And you are saying that Arnab is mixing two things. Of course, these two things are related together, Atikur Rahman Sahab. Can you please explain this to me? How can you support this?
I am ready to. This is my pen. This is my pen. I am ready to sign the Uniform Civil Code draft. Bring the draft before me.
So are you against triple talaq, talaq-e-hasan and talaq-e-ehsan? Are you against one-sided extrajudicial divorces?
I am in support of gender justice and gender equality.
Atikur Rahman Sahab, just one last question, then I will agree to you. One last question. Are you against one-sided extrajudicial divorces against Muslim women without their consent? Are you against it? Is it anti-Islamic?
No.
Then why is it?
Not against.
One minute. If you're not, 1 minute. May I ask you? May I ask you then? One minute. This lady, this brave lady. 1 minute. In this case, why is it that Babu Khan's Kawar Yatra in 2022? There's a Muslim man called Babu Khan. He does a Kawar Yatra in 2022. You know what happens to him? Some small-minded people, they assault him at the entrance of a mosque. I'm told there are some Muslim clerics who physically assault him at the entrance of a mosque. Why? Because he participated in the Kawar Yatra. You are saying that you want to serve food to the Kawar Yatris, you make it a big political issue. Hindu politicians can wear skull caps, visit mosques, offer chadar, like Akhilesh Yadav and Mamta Banerjee. But when a Muslim man participates in a Kawar Yatra, he is beaten up by Muslim clerics and he's told. And then later you say, no, we respect all religions. If you respect all religions, why do you beat up a Muslim man? Why was Sara Ali Khan, why did she face a backlash for attending Ganesh Chaturthi? Abhi chup. Notice?
Why was Mohammad Deepak not celebrated?
Abhi chup.
Why was
Waris Pathan told not to say Ganapati Bappa Moria? Amber?
That is the question. Atikur Rahman Sahab, if you celebrate Mohammad Deepak, why not celebrate Tamanna Malik?
Correct. Look
yes, celebrate. I am telling you now. In fact, I am giving you the Quranic word.
Rightly targeting Tamanna Malik. And Tamanna Malik didn't take Kawar Yatra. It was not personal.
Not given.
It was a personal choice, and it was an act of faith.
Can I say something, please?
So, no. In August 23.
Celebrate all types
give me the
of
example
secularism.
Again.
Celebrate them.
What happened?
Arnab never celebrated Mohammed Deepak. Arnab, you never celebrated Deepak Mohammed. You never took up the story, or rather, you never called me on that story.
I'll tell you something. In August 2023, a Kawad Yatra was attacked in Haryana's Nuh.
All these people who are now supporting Tamanna for her to be a weapon of secularism.
Too many people speaking, please. Audio control. 1 minute. I'll tell you one thing. I'll tell you one thing. See, you are irritated for two reasons. One, you're a typical chauvinistic man.
I'm not irritated.
And a radical man. And you pretend to be liberal. You are not. You are not. You're a Zakir Naik supporter. You think one day there will be Ghazwa Hind, and that is the day you will show your true face. But I'll tell you, you're irritated because these are women. These are confident Muslim women. Are you seeing how confident these Muslim women are?
You are exposed, Arnab.
You say that
you are being exposed. You are being exposed. Your pseudo secularism is being exposed here tonight, and the nation is watching you.
He's looking left and right. He doesn't know
and
what
you
to
were
say.
the same person.
He's run out of arguments. An assistant to his right is trying to give him some more papers. Subui has another question. Let's give her the last punch. Subui.
I have one point to make here, Arnab. You know, this vision, this burqa-clad woman sporting a tilak, wearing that saffron scarf, this vision is giving me so much hope, happiness and satisfaction, because I have been working on this philosophy called Sanatani Muslim for almost a decade. ये जो रहीम, रसखान, दारा शिको और कबीर की परंपरा है ना, जो ये औरंगजेब वाले लोगों ने खत्म कर दी थी भारत में, ये अब दोबारा निकल के आ रही है अर्नब. I am so glad that finally Muslim youth and women are breaking that fear psychosis and they are finally following that path.
What about the Kattarpanthi thinking of people like Tala Amir Khan, Rashidi? Will that work among young Muslims?
इनकी औरंगजेब वाली लकीर अर्नब, इनकी औरंगजेब वाली लकीर तभी छोटी होगी जब ये दारा शिको की लकीर लंबी होगी. I want to make one clarion call from your channel today, Arnab. I want to make one clarion call to all the Sanatani Muslims of Bharat. हम भारत के सनातनी मुसलमान हैं. हम भारत के देवी देवताओं को अपना मानते हैं. हम भारत के मंदिरों में जाते हैं. भारत की संस्कृति, इतिहास और शास्त्र हमारे अपने हैं और ये रेडिकल होना कुछ भी करके हमारा कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ सकते. Because we are safe, we are not tolerated but celebrated in our motherland.
Which during the Kawad Yatra,
now is the time to come out of that fear psychosis.
Muslim eateries asked outside hotels, but suddenly
हो गया, आपकी दुकानें बंद होने का समय आ गया है. Time to close the religious shops, dear brother. दुकानें बंद होने का समय आ गया है. ये सिर्फ एक बच्ची दिख रही है आपको. आज की तारीख मुझसे नोट करवा लीजिए. सनातनी मुसलमानों की आर्मी दिखेगी आपको. आप लोगों के रेडिकलिज्म की धज्जियां उड़ने वाली हैं इस देश में.
आपकी तब उड़ गई जब स्पेशल मैरिज एक्ट के तहत आपको शादी करनी पड़ी.
आपकी चिल्लाहट आपका डर बोल रही है मेरे भाई. आपकी चीख आपका डर है.
आपका अगर सनातनी मुस्लिम थी तो आपको निकाह करना चाहिए था. स्पेशल मैरिज एक्ट के तहत क्यों शादी करनी पड़ी? अभी तो आप सनातनी मुस्लिम की बात कर रहे हैं. आपने शादी स्पेशल मैरिज एक्ट के तहत की.
आपको स्पेशल मैरिज एक्ट में शादी क्यों करनी पड़ी? ये मैं एक बात बताता हूँ. ये जो एक मिनट, ये जो आप देख रहे हैं, जिस व्यक्ति को आप टीवी पे देख रहे हैं, ये लेदर जैकेट, लेदर पैंट पहन के, ये लेदर जैकेट, लेदर पैंट पहनते हैं, और ये एक्सपेंसिव अमेरिकन टी शर्ट, लेदर जैकेट, लेदर पैंट पहन के ये अपने आप को ट्रू मुस्लिम प्रेजेंट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. रख दो. इन्होंने बोला आपको, he made a personal attack on you and he said why did she have to marry under the special marriage act?
Of course, because I wanted to retain my religion.
Because her husband did not have a problem with her continuing to be a Muslim. He has a problem that your husband your spouse had absolutely no issues with you remaining a Muslim. ये tolerate नहीं कर पा रही. That is her family's choice, no? That is the choice of her and the man she is married. आपको क्या मतलब है? Why do you have to make a comment on her marriage? Shame on you. Shame on you for behaving like a rogue on my program.
Ecosystem. कावड़ यात्रा खाना नहीं खाएंगे
जैसे मारेंगे पीटेंगे दुकान
ठीक है, आप बैठिए।
नेम प्लेट चाहिए।
बौखलाहट अर्नब इनका डर है, इनकी बौखलाहट इनका डर है, क्योंकि आज सोशल मीडिया के जमाने में ये जानते हैं कि सच जब फैलता है तो जंगल में आग की तरह फैलता है। अब बच्चों के, मुसलमान बच्चों के दिमाग से आपका डर खत्म हो रहा है। अब इन बच्चों को पता चल रहा है कि हम मानसिक गुलाम नहीं बनेंगे। पैगंबर मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम स्लेवरी कब की खत्म कर गए, हमें आज तक गुलाम बना रखा है आप लोगों ने। अब हम आपकी गुलामी नहीं करेंगे, जो हमारी आत्मा बोलेगी हम वो करेंगे। किसी के बाप के बस में नहीं है, किसी के बाप के बस में नहीं है कि हम लोगों को अब माइंड कंट्रोल करे। आपकी फतवा ब्रिगेड की दुकानें अब बंद होने वाली है भाई साहब।
क्या कंट्रोल करेगा? आपके वालिद मोहतरम आपको कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाए, किसी और का बाप क्या कंट्रोल करेगा आपको? आपके वालिद मोहतरम आपको कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाए, किसी और का बाप क्या कंट्रोल करेगा?
आपको मैं I'll tell you one thing. एक मिनट, आप I'm lowering his voice. I'm lowering the voice there. One minute. आपको बताऊं, एक मिनट, reduce his audio. I'll tell him one thing. इनको आवाज बिल्कुल जा रही है. He is a typical shallow, ऊपर में लेदर जैकेट, लेदर पैंट पहन के अपने आप को उलेमा बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। इनको कुछ पता नहीं है, ना इस्लाम के बारे में पता है। अब इनको he cannot tolerate that there is a confident woman in front of him. In fact, 2 confident women. ये आपको पर्सनली अटैक कर रहे हैं। ये दिखते हैं इनकी मतलब सड़क चाप मेंटेलिटी जो इनकी है ना, इनकी मेंटेलिटी, तलहा आमिर रशीदी की मेंटेलिटी बिल्कुल सड़क चाक हो गई है। अंबर, आपने देखा इन्होंने सुबुई पे पर्सनल अटैक किया क्योंकि इनको दिखाना था दुनिया को कि मैं सड़क चाप लेवल पे जा सकता हूं। मैं जब इनसिक्योर बन जाता हूं, मैं सड़क छाप लेवल पे जाऊंगा।
In the very beginning, in my opening remark, that Subhu is being targeted, and there was a controversy around it. That is what I mentioned in the very beginning, that these people, they always target not only Subhu but her small child.
They don't have the guts to take on Subhu directly, but I'm not like the TV program where they allowed her to be insulted. So Tala, एक बात सुनो, Subhu को, let me tell you, we all support her, the people of the country support her. आपकी सड़क छाप बिहेवियर के लिए आप भी वायरल होंगे। I will think twice before calling you on my program, Tala, because you are quite shameless. Thank you very much. Completely shameless. Sorry about that, but I totally stand with you. And hats off to you and your family, the family you've been born to, the family you've been married to, and to your child. They represent the true secular fabric of this country. Forget this man. Thank you, Subhu.
ये है सीक्रेट रेसिपी MDH का जीरा सिप जल जीरा मसाला। सिप जीरा सिप MDH का जल जीरा सिप MDH का जल जीरा सिप।